Do you know that 80% of the people who are able to manifest their SP back end up losing their SP once again? The number one reason why that happens is because a lot of the people are great at manifesting, but they have subconscious fear. Fear of rejection, fear of abandonment, and fear of unworthiness that keeps manifesting again and again, no matter how many times they are able to manifest their SP back. But here is the good news and the bad news. The good news is your subconscious mind is great at manifesting, but the bad news is it's also great at manifesting your fear. So if we can remove your fear, you will not only be able to attract your SP, but actually make the relationship work. So in this video, I'm going to give you guys an instant healing hypnosis technique that will give you the precise strategy that you need to follow, and you will be able to observe that the results that you are going to get are going to be magnificent. So if you are someone who has been able to manifest their SP back, but however, time and time again, they ignore your text, they block you on the socials, or they might be with someone right now. This is what I want you guys to understand. It's not about them. It's not. It's because of the manifestation of your fears. If your subconscious mind was conditioned to become familiar with the feeling of rejection, abandonment, or not being chosen, your subconscious mind will keep manifesting that into your reality more than the manifestations that you are consciously trying to manifest. So let's locate the fear that you have and let me help you remove that fear so that you can attract whoever you truly desire. Now, the method is really simple. I want you to focus on what is your fear with regard to this SP. What is that fear that keeps manifesting into your relationship? So I want you to first pick that fear. This fear can be anything. It can be fear of rejection, fear of abandonment, fear of not being chosen, fear of being cheated on, whatever this fear is. I want you to select this fear. Now, the first thing I want you to do is I want you to rate this fear on a scale of 0 to 10, 0 being none, 10 being highest. So what's the first number that comes to your mind when you try to feel this fear? Now, whatever this number is, we have to take it down to 0. And by the end of this method, we will retest and make sure it goes down to 0. And once it goes down to 0, you will be able to attract your SP easily. Now just close your eyes, take a deep breath in through your nose and out through your mouth, and just relax. I want you to focus on this fear. And as you focus on this fear, I want you to ask your subconscious mind, where is this fear located inside your body? First impression. Now, whichever body part comes to your mind first, with the tip of your finger, I want you to touch that particular body part. Now, as you touch that particular body part, I want you to observe what color energy do you see over there, first impression. Now, whatever color it is, I want you to ask your subconscious mind, when was the first time you felt this fear in your life? Now, a memory from your past will just pop up. Do not change this memory. Whichever memory pops up first is always the right memory. Do not change that. Now, here's something I want you to do. Whatever memory you have in front of you, without judging it, I want you to hold this memory like you're holding on to a picture physically with both your hands right in front of you. So just grab it and hold on to it. Now, as you look at this particular picture, I want you to ask your subconscious mind, what are the lessons that you need to learn to remove this fear forever? Now, whatever comes into your subconscious mind, just start speaking it out loud. Just say it out loud. I'm going to give you some time. Whatever keeps coming inside your subconscious mind, just speak it out loud. Focus on what your subconscious mind wants you to learn. Speak it out loud. Now, these lessons are very important. If you can just acknowledge these lessons and you can live your life by these lessons, your fear will never ever be able to manifest itself, and your relationship with your SP will work out. All you have to do is just speak it out loud. So I'm going to give you 5 more seconds. Just speak these lessons out loud. Just speak them out loud. Now, here is something I want you to do. I want you to bring your hands together and I want you to shrink this picture into a size of an atom so small you can barely hold on to it. Now, as you do it, I want you to ask your subconscious mind, where can you throw this so that it never ever comes back? Now, whatever your subconscious mind says, I want you to throw it right in that direction. Wherever your subconscious mind says, just throw it away. Now observe that body part once again inside your body and observe what color energy do you see over there. And I bet the color is now different. Now whatever this color is, with each and every breath you take, I want you to spread this color all the way from your head down to your toes. With each and every breath you take, I want you to double the brightness. Double the intensity, double the magnitude, keep doubling it, keep doubling it, keep doubling it until it becomes so bright. It covers your entire body in this beautiful energy, and observe the feeling inside your body and observe how you feel. Now, this feeling is what you need to consistently feel to attract your SP. Now allow your subconscious mind to do whatever it's doing inside your body. This is your subconscious mind creating new neural pathways and removing your old neural pathways so that you can retain this neurological state. Now on the count of 3, you're going to open your eyes, and with each and every breath you take, you're going to double the brightness. So 1, double the brightness. 2, double the magnitude, double the brightness, double the intensity, and 3, open your eyes and observe the feeling inside your body. Now, once again, let's do a quick test. I want you to rate that fear on a scale of 0 to 10. What's the first number that comes to your mind? And I bet it goes down to 0. Now, for those of you for whom it didn't go down to 0, I want you to do this method once again. There might be some other trigger that we need to remove. So do it until it goes down to 0. Now, for those of you for whom it went down all the way to 0, I want you to try and bring back that old fear once again and observe what happens instead. And you're going to observe that the fear just won't come back. No matter how hard you try, the fear just won't come back. Now, the most important part that I want you guys to do is take a piece of paper and whatever lessons your subconscious mind gave you, write those lessons down on the piece of paper. These lessons are really, really important. Your subconscious mind is now operating with a new protocol, and as long as you keep living your life according to these lessons, your subconscious mind will be able to manifest your SP without any hesitation in the shortest amount of time. All you have to do is just focus on following these lessons. Now, this method is not an absolute solution. This is a temporary fix, because in order to make attraction permanent, we need to get inside your subconscious mind, remove the father wound, the mother wound, the attachment cycle. And once we do that, attraction becomes flawless. And that's exactly what I help my clients do in my 15 days instant healing program. I also teach them conversational hypnosis that makes them a magnet in any kind of conversation or relationship in less than a minute of casual conversation. Now, if this session worked for you guys, you can consider enrolling into my 15 days instant healing program. And the process is quite simple. All you have to do is just sign up for a free mini therapy session with me, which is my enrollment process. And in that session, I'm going to assess if you are fit for my program and if I can promise you the results. And only if I can promise you the results, I will allow you to enroll into my program, or else I might refuse you. I'll see you guys in the next video. Up until then, stay happy, stay blessed, and don't forget to comment down the lessons that you got so that others can get inspired by that. And you might end up inspiring other people. Stay happy, stay blessed, and keep healing. Bye-bye.